3 hours focus time, can you break that down into daily tasks and focus? Bro, when you actually get going, 3 hours will just disappear. You'll always have things to do. So I would say like spend 50% of your time focusing on the... Hey bro, when you're right at the beginning of Etsy, the way Etsy works is you'll spend like the beginning point, focusing on the day-to-day stuff, right? You spend the beginning point on focusing on the day-to-day stuff. Be very, very simple. You won't spend a lot of time doing it, and then it will increase, and then you'll hire staff members, right? So let's say you'll start by doing 30 minutes of daily tasks, and then it will increase to say 2 hours a day, and then you'll hire a staff member, go back down to 30. It was like that kind of thing, right? It's that kind of thing. That's the way it works, right? Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.